यह आपका ऑल इंडिया एग्जाम है, तो आप JNU, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन, JNU, HCU, BHU, और हो सके तो if possible. So guys, this is our first class of CUET PG Entrance 2023. Let us start the class. See, why I'm telling you to come into the HCU or like this. HCU has 100% placement. Yes, I've been in campus for so today I think our group is almost 20 people. One of my favorite student, Umar Rashid, is with me. He used to follow me for last 1 year. Hi Umar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you are right now at which place? Can you tell to our friends?
Yes, sir. My name is Umar Rashid. I am from Kashmir, sir.
That's great. You're graduating from which university? Kashmir?
जी सर, मैंने ग्रेजुएशन की है, पिछले साल कंप्लीट की, इस साल मैं एमए कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा अच्छा, कहाँ पर अभी आप इनरोल हैं?
यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर में एमए कर रहा हूँ।
चलिए, वो भी तो अच्छी बात है। लास्ट ईयर वहाँ से एक IAS भी निकले थे, इंडियन इकोनॉमिक सर्विस।
हाँ, तनवीर अहमद खान।
तनवीर अहमद खान और कासिफ वगैरह हमारे बैचमेट थे, तो वो भी शायद
Yes, sir.
ग्रेजुएट किए हैं। हाँ, IIT खड़गपुर में जो PhD कर रहे हैं।
इस साल भी एक एसयू में ये कर रहा है एमए, शाहकुर मीर।
अच्छा, हाँ, उनसे मैं मिला था। हाँ, वो पहले जामिया गए थे, फिर
जी सर,
यहाँ आए थे।
उसने वहां पर एडमिशन कैंसिल किया, अब एचयू में एडमिशन लिया।
जी हाँ, जी हाँ।
यस सर। सर हमारा शौक भी था एचयू में एडमिशन लेने का, लेकिन थोड़ा सा सिक्योर काम रहा इस साल।
कोई बात नहीं, इंशाल्लाह इस बार रंगत लाएगी। आप मेहनत करें और साहब से मिलते रहें, वो आपको जो टिप्स देगा फॉलो करें। यस, आई कैन टेल यू बेटर। HCU में 100% प्लेसमेंट है। लेट मी टेल यू हाउ 100%. Suppose that around 70 people if come, out of 70 people 10-20 people are interested in civil services or IAS, RBI, banking वगैरह वगैरह। few people choose for PhD or go foreign, तो बच गए कितने? 30-40 लोग। people left. Out of those 40 people, definitely they get placement. Minimum is around 5 lakh, maximum is 12 lakh rupees, because Hyderabad is a IT hub, and from Hyderabad Mumbai is near, your Bangalore is near, so all the IT locations are very near from Hyderabad, and Hyderabad itself is a great hub. तो यहाँ पे कंपनी वगैरह का कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्राइसिस का असर नहीं है। वी ऑल नो दैट वी आर फेसिंग अ ग्रेट डिप्रेशन लाइक सिचुएशन, नॉट ग्रेट डिप्रेशन एग्जैक्टली, बट वी आर ऑन द वे ऑफ वर्ज ऑफ रिसेशन, एज US फेडरल बैंक इकोनॉमिस्ट ऑल्सो टोल्ड। परंतु यहाँ पर प्लेसमेंट को लेकर कोई असर नहीं, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ एक साल देर आए लेकिन दुरुस्त आए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आपका जिंदगी सवर जाएगा। और रही बात बाकी यूनिवर्सिटी का, तो वो भी अच्छी है, बट इन माई सी everybody cannot go into good institutions like ISI, IGDIR, DSE तो अब जा सकते हैं, but will come to end at DSE. DSE में अब जाना आसान हो गया है, परंतु DSE में सर्वाइव करना काफी डिफिकल्ट। इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव इन DSE because you will fail in the semester exam, and once you fail consecutively 2 times, you are thrown out of the campus. Got it? तो मेरा हमेशा रहा है मकसद, आप अपनी चादर के अनुसार अपना पैर फहराएं, राइट? यू शुड जज योर कैपेबिलिटी एंड अकॉर्डिंगली मेक योर डिसीजन। दिस क्लास इज स्पेशली माई ऑल दिस कोर्स विल बी दोज पीपल हु हैज fear of maths, fear of statistics. So today we are going to our first class of macroeconomics, and many of people I could see new faces. So let me introduce a course, just 5 minutes, hardly it will take 5 minutes. After that I will proceed. So before going much detail, I will request you guys, please ask some doubt, let other people also join. By 9-10 we will start the class. There are 38 people. Out of 38 people, if you have any question, I will take first your questions, accordingly I will proceed. So chalo, let us start. Whosoever is new, whosoever has some doubt, you please ask. 5 minutes is yours, next 1 hour will be mine.
Good evening, sir.
Please introduce. Yeah, Anubhuti, hi.
Sir, I'm still stuck on the last question, that factor price wala. So can you please explain it again? I can share the question here also.
ठीक है, वो हम लोग लास्ट में देखेंगे, अभी थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन चल रहा है ना। आई गॉट योर पॉइंट, उस पर हम लोग आएंगे। आपका लास्ट वाला जो एकेडमिक सेशन के क्वेश्चंस होंगे, दैट लास्ट 10 मिनट्स, इनिशियल 10 मिनट्स होंगे आपके करियर रिलेटेड और आपके प्रिपरेशन रिलेटेड, ठीक है?
अच्छा, ओके, यस सर।
लास्ट 10 मिनट्स हम लोग एकेडमिकली और थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चन को लेंगे। तो चलिए 5 मिनट्स मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, और लेट द अदर पीपल ऑल्सो ज्वाइन इन दैट 5 मिनट, एंड देन विल स्टार्ट आवर मैक्रो फर्स्ट क्लास। या फिर आप लोगों को डाउट नहीं है तो कुछ मैं ही क्वेश्चंस पूछता हूँ। एनीवन डू आस्क, एज सी जस्ट पॉइंटेड क्वेश्चन में डाउट हुआ है। लेट मी टेल यू, अनुभूति इज आवर फर्स्ट बैच। व्हाट इज द स्कोप ऑफ डूइंग मास्टर्स इन डेवलपमेंट इकोनॉमिक्स? हाँ, थोड़ा लिमिटेड है। डेवलपमेंट इकोनॉमिक्स, आर यू टॉकिंग ऑफ सीडीएस? बी थोरो, बी क्लियर, क्योंकि जहाँ तक मुझे पता है 2-4 इंस्टीट्यूट ही हैं सर, डेटा साइंस या इकोनॉमिक्स, वन इज बेटर। इकोनॉमिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, गो फॉर इकोनॉमिक्स, यू नो, इवन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड, प्लीज इफ पॉसिबल आस्क इन योर ऑडियो फॉर्म रेदर देन गोइंग राइटिंग एंड ऑल। आदित्य ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, हिमांशु ने पूछा है, प्लीज आस्क एज अनुभूति आस्क्ड, उमर आस्क्ड, प्लीज आस्क योर डाउट्स। We should not do monologue. We are here friends, we will go through conversation, and this is my, I think you guys are third batch, 21 22, this would be third batch, and my batch is very simple, very small, so that we can make one-to-one conversation. Even I've been in JNU, some of you may be following my vlog, I know that. तो मैं JNU में था और JNU में भी मेरे 2-3 स्टूडेंट हैं। सारे से तो मैं नहीं मिल पाया, बट मैं दीप्ति से मिला, अनुष्का से भी मिला। तो 2 स्टूडेंट जो लास्ट बैच के थे वो JNU में हैं, 2 HCU में हैं और 2-3 लोग पौंडीचेरी में भी हैं। तो आई कीप वेरी स्मॉल बैचेस 13-14 पीपल का। उसमें मेरा टारगेट रहता है कि मोर देन 50% जो है गुड इंस्टीट्यूट में हो जाए, क्योंकि सी वी आर हियर नॉट टू गेन द नॉलेज एज मच टाइम इज कंसर्न। ओके, सॉरी, हाँ, टाइम इज कंसर्न, हार्डली वी हैव 3 मंथ्स। 3 मंथ्स में आप नॉलेज गेन कर, आपको एग्जाम क्लियर होता है। And with my experience of in economics for last 7-8 years, I can tell you gaining knowledge and clearing exam is quite different. If you solve lots of question, even you know theory, you can automatically get adapted. Okay, price बढ़ा है तो demand घटेगी, got it? You doesn't know the explanation and theory, so that is the different way. So here our all focus will be to clear the entrance exam. और क्लियर इंट्रेंस एग्जाम करने के लिए स्पेशली CUET के बाद काफ़ी आसान हो गई है। इफ पॉसिबल यू हैव पेन एंड पेपर, चलो स्टार्ट राइटिंग। आई थिंक पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू आस्किंग क्वेश्चन। आई एम अगेन गिविंग यू 2 to 3 मिनट्स, प्लीज आस्क योर डाउट। पूछिए, आप लोग माइंड को ऑन कीजिए और पूछिए। या अनुश्री इज आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चन, गो अहेड।
Sir, what is the procedure exactly? We are supposed to give CUET exam and उसके बाद क्या procedure होता है? I mean, मुझे नहीं समझा कट ऑफ कैसे होता है।
हाँ, मैं बता देता हूँ। देखिए क्या होता है। फर्स्ट यू अप्लाई फॉर CUET विच विल बी इन आई थिंक मार्च, ठीक है। आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाइल अप्लाइंग इटसेल्फ देयर विल बी 2 ऑप्शंस। व्हाइल अप्लाइंग इटसेल्फ, उमर वगैरह तो ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, तो आपको ऑल यूनिवर्सिटी में टिक लगाना होगा। नियरली देयर आर 40-50 यूनिवर्सिटी, और यू कैन गो थ्रू योर प्रेफरेंसेज। पीपल हु आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट टू गेट इनटू JNU और DSE only, so they tick only GSE and JNU, that's it. But most of the people go for all the university. After that what happens, you get your scorecard after CUET, then you have to apply in individual university, got it? Suppose that अनुश्री आप कहाँ से हैं? Sorry, I forgot.
I'm from Maharashtra. I'm from
हाँ,
Mumbai.
महाराष्ट्र। तो suppose that you have well idea about HCU, you know some of your seniors, and Maharashtra is very near to Hyderabad. So most probably what will happen, you will prefer coming to HCU because you will have here get handsome packages and everything. So in that you can apply HCU with the same scorecard. Let me explain you. But if you are also interested to apply in JNU, you can also apply there. After that what happened, there will be merit list according to the number of applicants. Every people will not apply HCU, right? Suppose that 1000 people cleared CUET. After that there is different approaches in which people apply. Suppose that only 300 people apply for HCU, including you. Then out of 300, merit list will be prepared and CUET score will be considered. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the way. And how many university you want to apply, it's up to you. According to different university, you have to pay 400, 500 according to general, ST, SC, OBC, and everywhere same procedure will be taken. And wherever you want to get admission, where your interest is there, where your rankings are good, you can choose according to you. There is no compulsion.
Once merit list is put up, we have to go into individual university.
yes.
HCU के website पे जाके apply करना है।
Yes. Suppose that you also got SCU, you also got JNU, got it? But if you are thinking JNU will be better, you can go JNU, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Same happened this time.
हेलो सर।
हाँ, पवन जी, मिश्रा जी, वेलकम।
Yes, sir. I
I-
just want to know what would be the level of CUCET for DSC prospecting.
See, yeah, we'll come to that. That is very good question. See, CUET and DSC. I am very happy to say that DSC used to be a class. DU से ही DSC का निर्माण हुआ है, सेपरेट। तो DSC का क्या हो गया था, लोगों में एक क्लास हो गया था, दैट इज फॉर एलिट क्लास, दैट इज फॉर ओनली हाईली पेड कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस, ओनली पीपल विल गेट। But I can ensure you, I being an economist in the system, I have more social, political, economic awareness. CUET का गोल क्या है, फर्स्ट यू शुड नो। CUET का सिंपल सा गोल है, जो सबसे कॉर्नर में बैठा है कन्याकुमारी में, चाहे जो कश्मीर में है, जो अरुणाचल में है, जो गुजरात में है, जो लास्ट गांव है, वहां के बच्चे भी सेम सिलेबस एक्सेस कर सके। हाउ इट विल बी पॉसिबल? व्हेन देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन इंडियन राइटर बुक्स, व्हेन देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन थियोरेटिकल इन नेचर। इफ क्वेश्चंस काफी टफ आ गए, काफी क्वांट आ गए क्वेश्चंस, देन obviously who will go? First mover advantage, people who are very sound in econometrics, mathematics, statistics, they will get admission. Got it? Then the whole concept of CUET, NTA, National Testing Agency, it is not DTA, Delhi Technical Agency, it is NTA, National Testing Agency. That means all India exam. Definitely
Sir.
paper will be average. Let me be clear. Yes, did you get the point?
Yes, sir. I get your point. But it means that what the level it was in
Level will
previous
be
years,
easier,
like-
just like last time. Yes, conceptual,
Okay.
theoretical, and pan India syllabus based, UGC syllabus
Sir.
based.
Yes, sir. And sir, one more thing I just want to clear it, that I'm also studying at DU right now.
Okay.
So there will be a 50% reserve
Yes,
for a merit base.
that will be there. Yes, Pawan.
That is still is going on.
Yes, it will be going on. I am thankful to you. You revealed that, and my intention was not to say all these things, but I told the truth. Even I know one of my younger brother, he also had very good marks, but because of some other reason he did not go Delhi. That is different story. So आप किस college से हैं? From which college you belong?
Sir, I'm in Satyavati College.
Oh, Satyavati. हाँ, तो there is,
Yes, sir.
you know all the rules. In general का nearly 80% के आसपास कट ऑफ जाता है, 78-80.
Yes, sir.
If you score like that, 116 seats are reserved for them. Or I think for DU who go via direct admission, it's not a big task because they know syllabus and all. और आप लोग तो for even to pass the semester exam, there is a coaching and all system, because I know professors are not professors.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Professors don't teach. I know that. So that is the reality. All together, all to sum up, self study is the key. BA you should have just a pathfinder. आपको एक mentor होना चाहिए जो कि आपको reality बता दे. I know the reality. Why I know the reality? Because I've been involved in such things for last 3 years. Earlier क्या हुआ, till 2021 I used to teach only for HCU, क्योंकि HCU का अगर आप सिर्फ past year पेपर कर लेते हो and with the specific topic, 101% your result is sure. क्योंकि even in HCU hardly 10% statistics mathematics होता है. And anybody has idea about past year paper? I hope past year paper आप लोग देखे होंगे. Please do comment.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How was the paper? Tell me, because Anupriya is asking, sir, will you guiding for DSE? And still Ansu is unable to understand. DSE has no separate exam. Now everything under CUET. So prepare for CUET. Ansu, okay? Please comment your.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Do ask.
सर मैंने लास्ट ईयर 2022 में डीएससी का एग्जाम दिया था एमए इकोनॉमिक्स का, तो मैंने उसमें काफी प्रिपरेशन की थी बट मैं क्वालिफाई नहीं हो पाया। तो मतलब काफी ज्यादा टेक्निकल और थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेटिव था
Yes,
पेपर।
and that is more technical when you get into DSE. What I told you, आप अपना पैर अपने चादर के अनुसार पसारें। यह नहीं कि DSE पास कर गए और वहां से फेल होके फिर वापस आ रहे हैं। विल कम टू यू।
तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था
हाँ
कि सर अगर मैं अभी 3 महीने है एग्जाम में, अगर मैं सीयूटी के प्रिपरेशन करती हूँ तो मेरे चांसेस हैं कि मैं इस साल अच्छे से क्वालिफाई कर जाऊँ, मेरा टाइम वेस्ट ना हो।
हाँ, चांसेस नहीं, काफी हाई चांसेस है, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड वेल। या तो योर थियरी शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. Be sure that you have very good command on theory. Most of the people who prepare for either ISI or DSE, where they lag behind on theory portion. If I ask you, so do you have sound knowledge of macroeconomics? If I just ask you, most of the people will be very much confused between neoclassical, new Keynesian. But in 3 classes, maximum 4. In 3 classes, I cover entire macroeconomics, and I can guarantee you till your last breath, you will have never confusion in macroeconomics. And such kind of teaching attitude I have never seen in any book or any institutions. This I have developed over the years with my own knowledge, own experiment. तो आज हम लोग मेनली स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू 2-3 मोर क्वेश्चंस. और हमारा जो प्रोसीजर होगा मेनली, प्लीज ओपन योर पेन एंड पेपर. वी विल बी कवरिंग जस्ट 6 टॉपिक्स. या उमर, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव टर्न ऑफ देयर वीडियो. I don't understand, even I have turned on the videos. Please turn on videos if somebody is interested, and if you don't have privacy concern, so that we can make some eye contact. We can do ask your doubts. We have more than 43 people. Yeah, do ask your doubts. Otherwise, start. Please take a pen and paper.
Sir, hello.
Yeah,
Can I speak?
yeah, sure, Rahul.
Sir, I have written in the chat section my doubt. Can you just check?
How would the chances of clear CUET for non-economic history? You have seen past year paper?
No, I haven't.
Then you have very less chance. You don't know what is the nature of pattern, and you started preparation. Please write a note, pen, paper and note. 3 things are mandatory. 3 things. First thing, past year papers of, please note it down. Please see if your level is like past year paper of HCU, BHU, theoretical JNU and CUET. If you know somewhat questions 30-40%, I can guarantee you 100% you will clear CUET with my 3 months of class. I can give you in written form. That's my guarantee. If you can solve right now 30% of question. The first thing is that you have to see past year paper. That is mandatory. I won't say you should. I would say you must. That is mandatory. Without that, no idea. Second thing, prefer Indian writer books over foreign writer. I have read for micro, macro, all together more than 30 books, including foreign writer or Indian writer. But this exam is all India exam, UGC level exam, right? So Indian writer should be preferred. Last year question I saw, and sorry I don't have right now PDF. If somebody in the group, I will be really very happy if somebody can share right now the PDF in the group. I couldn't arrange, and I in fact forgot. When exam happened that time, some of my students sent me. I saw the question. H.L. Ahuja book, please note down. H.L. Ahuja, microeconomics, one book, and macroeconomics, another book. From both book, more than 60% of entire paper came. The beauty of this book, you know, if you see the microeconomics of H.L. Ahuja, that book covers micro. Am I audible or in any problem is there? Please do let me know.
You are audible, sir.
Oh, thank you, Anusri. See, in H.L. Ahuja, I can give you page number, question number with all proof. More than 60% questions come directly from H.L. Ahuja micro and macro combined. First thing is H.L. Ahuja. Please note it down. H.L. Ahuja microeconomics, H.L. Ahuja macroeconomics. This book covers macroeconomics, money and banking, international economics, welfare economics, and some portion of growth like Solow model, Harrod-Domar model, like this. So entire 60% of questions or syllabus is from H.L. Ahuja. So H.L. Ahuja should be priority. But what to read, how to read, that we will talk in next class. That is not that much important. But book is very, very important. If you are comfortable with the PDF, it's okay. Otherwise, please get a hard copy. First is H.L. Ahuja. Second, 3 things just I told. First is please see the past year paper. Second is H.L. Ahuja book. H.L. Ahuja is, I am not taking any kind of commission and all, but it is all India book, so I am saying. And third is keep solving questions. What to solve, how to solve. Only 2 ways to solve. First is that you should solve HCU, BHU, JNU and UGC NET JRF paper 2 if possible. That is not that much difficult. And some of my students, including Anubhuti and all, are also solving R Gupta, but that should be solved after solving HCU, BHU, JNU past year paper. These 3 are standard paper, and these 3 are very old and renowned institutes. And I am pretty sure all these institutions have larger say in CUET NTA body who sets paper for the economics PG entrance. That's why I am telling you and requesting you to please solve HCU. Please note it down. if you guys want me to share the screen, I will share the screen. In between, if my voice is stuck, do let me know. Shall I share the screen?
Yes, sir.
If you want me to, I can share, and I will use the pad so that it will make more sense. And please note down. One second. ये नीचे आ गया, तो just a moment. So I told just 3 things. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So 3 things में what will happen? Previous year question. Just see, don't solve right now. Previous year questions. इसमें 2 things it will be. CUET and CUCET. Till 21 we had CUCET and for 22 we had CUET. So इसको आप लोग देखेंगे nearly 2017 से 22 तक. This is the prima facie. It will give you major idea that what should be the approach. Second thing, HL Ahuja, yes, HL Ahuja book आपको ले लेना है for both micro, 2 books comes, and macro. Got it? It is mandatory. 3 things. I am writing it mandatory. You cannot skip. Otherwise, just forget scoring high marks in CUT. And third is, just a moment. Third thing, what I told about solving 3 kinds of paper. That would be, I think, please note it down. First will be JNU. Please note it down. Sorry, So see, all things we have just mentioned. Is the screen visible right now or not?
Visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. तो आप लोग नोट करेंगे इसको. Please note it down. See, 60% of syllabus, if something is covering, you must pay attention to all those things. 60% में आपका क्या आ जाएगा? HL Ahuja, previous year question, और JNU, BHU और HCU के. Now you will see कि sir, why you are based towards JNU, BHU and HCU? Why not other institute? You can refer Pondicherry also. As I told you the reason, because these 3-4 institutions are very old, very reputed, and you see they set a pattern like all India. They don't set pattern like ISI, DSE, IGDIR. They are very specific in nature. But this exam is all India exam. Got it? तो आपको यह बात पे ध्यान रखना है. Pondicherry University. These 3-4 institutes are important. Yes. You have to solve these papers at least past minimum 7 years, excluding current affairs. Past 7 years के नहीं, 2000 sorry, JNU, SU, BSU 21 हो गया, तो 2015 to 2021 तक. Till this timeline you have to solve. Please note it down. If you can do this, your more than 50% job is done. Rest 50% will be supplemented by my class lecture. Even if you don't read books, I can give you on a writing pad paper. You just attend my 3 months of course, re-revise, re-google. See, course I say you, sir, HL Ahuja कौन सा वाला? Advanced या principal भी चलेगा, principal भी चलेगा. If advanced it is okay, if not advanced, principal is okay. Principal is well enough, 900 पेज. Advanced में आपका 1400 पेजेस है. Don't go that much. If you have advanced, it's fine. Advanced का मैंने PDF दे रखा है already. I have uploaded the PDF of advanced, and principal of HL Ahuja is okay. Shall we move ahead? Or if still you have doubt, please ask. Do ask. अनुभूति?
सर,
हाँ, प्लीज.
सर यूजीसी नेट का पेपर 2 सॉल्व करना है, राइट?
जी हाँ, if possible, after doing all this, because UGC NET paper 2 is pan India exam and it is akin to graduation syllabus. Why I'm telling you to solve? I enrolled myself in HCU first semester, and in first semester itself I have cleared JRF on the basis of my graduation knowledge. I have not waited till my last semester in masters. जब मास्टर्स में आप जाते हैं, जस्ट फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, what are the knowledges you possess just of your graduation, right? That time I noted कि only graduation matters. Your knowledge of graduation is important for clearing JRF, and since then I've been suggesting people to clear JRF in first semester of masters because आपका syllabus graduation वाला ही है. Got it? हाँ. Shall I erase or you guys have noted?
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Yes. Sure.
Does Madras School of Economics conduct a separate exam?
I think yes. Last time it was separate.
Okay, sir.
That is different. See, 2-3 things I have to mention. You know the fee of Madras School of Economics?
No, sir.
Nearly 5 to 6 lakh. For just, you know the SU fee? 10,000 to 12,000 for 2 years. So,
yes, sir.
Got it. And Madras School में ऐसा नहीं है कि you will get 50 lakh of package. There are also 8 to 10 lakh of packages. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And in some degree, in some Madras School of Economics, there are 5-6 branches. In some branches, you don't get the degree of MA in Economics. And once you don't have the degree of MA in Economics, you are not able to... per now, I got 17 lakh is not average. Yeah, this year MSc. Yeah, you are right. Let me complete first. See what happened. For some of the exams, you need Masters in Economics degree like DEPR, RBI, SEBI, Indian Economic Services. In Madras School of Economics, there are few courses which does not provide master's degree. So be aware. As simple as my aim is never to discourage you people. My aim is to make you aware, to use your rationality, to make the resources optimum with minimum cost, maximum output, with minimum investment, maximum profit. That will give you best institutes, obviously public institutes. If you don't get into it, definitely you must look for other institutes. But in my view, if you are well sound in the quant, you should definitely go for Delhi School of Economics, Madras School of Economics, IGDIR. But if your goal is set, no, I have to do PhD, I have to clear UPSC, I have to go for Indian Economic Service, then you must go public institutes like JNU, HCU, BHU. Am I clear? So your goal, your target defines your university. As simple as. Before starting our macro class, just let me give you the brief. Please note it down. Please guys. आपको इतना जरूर करना है, ठीक है? 3 things. Previous year question, HL Ahuja का book और JNU, HCU, BHU और Pondicherry University का past year paper. Do solve, daily solve. Next. Our course structure. Mainly what I do. First I start with macro. Please note it down. Macro is first. Hardly it will take 4 classes. Hardly 4 classes. What are the things in macro we will study? There are 6 school of economics. 6 school of. Can someone tell the name in chronology, please? It will be my pleasure if I listen from you guys. Please.
Sir, mercantilism, physiocrats, neoclassical economists, Marxism, then
Marxism? No. Please don't get confused with the Marxism. Marxism we will study in growth and development.
The mercantilism.
Not, it's monetarism.
Keynesian and then monetarism.
Then you are almost correct. And see, let me here write in a sequence. Are you guys see it right? Board is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, monetary economics. See, first starts with.
Yes, sir.
First start with mercantilism. I will just write short form. You please note it down. And everything is in sequence form. Write in decreasing order. First came mercantilism. We will study first mercantilism. What was the idea? What's its theory on export and import? Why it is also known as zero-sum game. So many things we will study. Just after mercantilism, you have physiocrats. PHY होता है भाई. PHYSIOCRATS. If I am wrong, sorry for spelling mistake, but essence is important. Then comes after physiocrats. See, physiocrats was mainly agriculture based theory. If question is asked which of the following school of thought give importance to agriculture, or physiocrats emphasized, such kind of question is already asked. भाई सर सब पढ़ा देंगे क्या यार, क्वेश्चन आप लोग पूछ रहे हो। एनीवे हाँ, डोंट वरी। तो फिजियोक्रेट्स के बाद क्या होगा, क्लासिकल, राइट। वी विल स्टडी दीज 3 टॉपिक्स इन 1 day. These 3 topics in 1 day, 2 hours of class. That's my guarantee. One important thing in me is that I don't lie and I don't like liars. ठीक है, ये 3 things: mercantilism, physiocrats, classicals. 1 class is enough, 2 hours. Not a single question will be left behind once you attend the class. After classicals आप आ जाइए, न्यू क्लासिकल थोड़ा ग्रोथ का है, that was the time frame, but we will look into later on. Then comes Keynesian. ठीक है, Keynesian आ गया. Why came Keynesian? Can someone tell what is the history behind Keynesian? It will be my pleasure if somebody tell me.
I think it was proposed during the Great Depression.
Yes, after 1929 Great Depression came, where classicals failed to explain the Say's law, supply creates its own demand and all. We will explain all these things. So Keynesian फिर आ जाएगा आपके पास आफ्टर Keynesian, monetary economics, और father of monetarist is known as, we will take 1 class for Keynesian and monetarism. Who is the father of monetary school of economics? Anyone? Anyone?
Milton Friedman.
Exactly, Milton Friedman. He also quoted, I think this question was asked in SCU also, inflation is always and everywhere, given by Milton Friedman. After this, we have, in monetary, we will learn adaptive expectation theories, Phillips curve, so many things, vertical Phillips curve. After monetarist, we have new classical. It is difficult to writing on pad, guys. My handwriting is not that bad. Okay. Just for sake of knowledge, I am telling you. Last month I was in JNU for some other purpose. Actually, I had interview of UPSC Indian Economic Service. Result is out, but I could not qualify because of few marks. I will try again. So because of that, anyway, new classical gave, in which we will mainly study rational expectation theory. Got it? Rational expectation. And there is a small school known as Real Business Cycle, that is just 5-minute lecture. And finally we have new Keynesian. आप लोग ग्रेगरी मैनकिव का नाम सुने होंगे. He was one of the great propounder. ग्रेगरी मैनकिव, जी मैनकिव. इसकी एक मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स की बुक भी आती है. Got it? So 1 class will be for these 3. 1 class will be for monetary and Keynesian, and 1 class will be for neoclassical and rational expectation. Total 3 class, and 1 class will be for fringe area. उसके बारे में मैं भी बता देता हूँ. Those topic you should write. Please note it down after this. In that we will cover inflation, ISLM, sacrifice ratio, Okun's law, all the fringed elements, and last 30 minutes entire revision of School of Economics. Got it? Sidewise, what you guys have to do, you guys keep solving past year paper. As I told you, you have to solve JNU, HCU, BHU, Pondicherry University, right? आप लोग को क्या करना है, आफ्टर अटेंडिंग माई क्लास, मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के सारे क्वेश्चंस, ऑल द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, you have to just solve. And now coming to the book, can someone tell the best book what you have followed for macroeconomics? Please. I will give.
Sir, Matthew is also good enough.
Yes, that
well
is.
as H.L. Ahuja, starting with H.L. Ahuja and then Matthew.
Yes, great.
Sir, Blanchard.
Yeah, Blanchard is little high level. Blanchard is one of my favorite book. Yes, great. I am writing you 3-4 important books. Out of that, you can take any two. You can take H.L. Ahuja or Dwivedi. H.L. Ahuja is important. H-A-H-U-J. Sorry. Ahuja. Okay. H.L. Ahuja, you have to take. H.L. Ahuja first book, that is important. For second book, as she mentioned, I think it was
Sir, man.
Man Cave. Yes. Second book we have Man Cave. Third book you should prefer Dornbus Fisher. One of my favorite book, Dornbus Fisher book. Stanley Fisher. Next you can also refer Blanchard. Very good book. But you are not supposed to follow that much M.L. Jhingan because of error problem. In M.L. Jhingan, too much error. If you have to select between M.L. Jhingan and H.L. Ahuja, M.L. Jhingan is also very good book because it is Indian writer and it covers a lot. So H.L. Ahuja should be preferred, and with H.L. Ahuja, it should be supported with either Man Cave or Dornbus Fisher or Blanchard plus my 4 lecture. Just 4 lecture. I can guarantee you more than 90% of question will be correct in your exam from macroeconomics. Got it? So that's whole agenda of macroeconomics. So now just coming to 5 minutes.
Sir, screen sharing stopped.
You can't share screen. You can't see.
No.
No, sir. Sir, I can. It is visible.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Then you have problem with the phone. Please do correct, or you can rejoin, guys, who has facing. I think the quality of screen is also good, right?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, thank you for appreciating. See,
सर सोलो ग्रोथ मॉडल के लिए कौन सा बुक बढ़िया रहेगा?
Wait. Solo growth model Man Cave is the best. See, each and every topic I will tell you, I will suggest you page number. That's why I'm telling you. मैं आपको पेज नंबर तक बता दूंगा. आपको बिल्कुल नहीं दिमाग लगाना है कि इस टॉपिक से इस चैप्टर का ये पढ़ना है. मैं बता दिया 4 क्लासेज में आपके मैक्रो हो जाएंगे. Anyway, just coming to what are the topics we are going to cover. Then we will cover growth and development. काफी ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस इससे आए थे लास्ट ईयर. If you guys have seen, I think nobody will disagree with me. Growth and development plus Indian economy. These portions are increasing, and I have told my students that obviously India is NTA is taking exam, that is Indianization of exam. So prefer growth and development and Indian economy because these two topics are real core economics. Real core economics means what we see in daily life. We never see macroeconomics in daily life. That is just a theoretical in nature. That is foundation stone. But you see Indian economy as a policy maker, as an economist, you have to learn growth and development. That's why these two constitutes nearly 30% of questions. Nearly 30%. So you cannot ignore it at all. For me, growth and development 3 classes, Indian economy 3 classes. So all together 6 classes. Sorry. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
6 classes more than enough. Don't rush behind that. This पढ़ लिए, वो पढ़ लिए, ये PDF पढ़ लिए, वो PDF पढ़ लिए. उस पर आप लोगों को बिल्कुल नहीं ध्यान देना है. 6 classes के बाद हो गया. No books. Please note down the book. Sir, for Romer model, which book? Please don't worry. Let me tell you the book. Book क्या करना है आपको? Growth and development के लिए I will suggest you to go with M.L. Jhingan. Growth and development की काफ़ी अच्छी बुक है. Extra book you can refer A.P. Thrilwal. My all-time favorite book. Anthony Thrilwal. But for clearing CUET exam, M.L. Jhingan is best. For Indian economy, sorry guys, I am getting some messages from you people. Let me read few messages. We'll go. Indian economy के लिए, if you have time, then you can refer Misra Puri or Ramesh Singh. Ramesh Singh has better cost benefit advantage. See, all we are discussing just to clear the exam because last 2-3 months are left. Let me take some of the questions you guys have asked. For last 20 minutes I did not take the question. Sir, HL Ahuja कौन सा लेना, advanced या principal? This I read man, don't miss. Yeah, Froen. See, Froen is one of my favorite. I don't know how can I miss the book. Yeah, sorry to remember me. If you have time, actually I will teach from Froen, so no need to mention that. Sorry, in books HL Ahuja, Dornvis Fisher, you can add Froen, F-R-O-Y-E-N. Just 300 or 400 pages book. Very good book. Very, very good book. For IAS and UPSC, it is one of the best book. It is a Bible for macroeconomics. All time my favorite book. Froen, macroeconomics. We'll send all the PDF already there. Then few questions, sir. You share notes or PDF of macroeconomics once again. Yeah, I will definitely share. And class, yeah, Uma Kapila is okay. Yeah, but try to understand in 2-3 months how can you focus on Uma Kapila. For exam orientation, Uma Kapila is not good book. I have read all the books. Uma Kapila is good for answer writing, for theoretical knowledge, for descriptive writings. But for exam purpose, you have to just give 5 days, 6 days, 7 days for one subject. Let me tell you. See, let me tell you. Suppose that. Suppose that even if we have 7 subjects, you give 7 days per subject. We are nearly 50 days, 49 days, right? Around you take 10 say 15 days, 10 to 15 days, your semester exams, right? So we are hardly raced with around 30 to 40 days. In 30 to 40 days, at least 10 to 15 days completely you should solve past year paper. And last 15 days, sorry, 1 second. 1 minute. Last 15 days, only revision, nothing else. Only revision, and make short notes of it. Do make short notes of it. So we stopped where? Shall I reveal all books list name for other subjects also?
Yes, sir.
So far we have done macro. I hope you guys are noting down, and please after the class send the group. After macro we have done Indian economy, we have done growth, and with Indian economy we will study public finance. One class is enough. Public finance is very small topic. यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको मुस्ग्रेव एंड मुस्ग्रेव भी पढ़ सकते हैं, आर के लेखी भी पढ़ सकते हैं, बट आई विल सजेस्ट कि आई विल सेंड द नोट्स ऑफ पब्लिक फाइनेंस, दैट इज एनफ. प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट टाइम इन दैट. 2 to 3 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं हार्डली. इंडियन इकोनॉमी हो गया, ग्रोथ हो गया, मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स हो गया. देन कम्स वी हैव माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, माइक्रो, और देन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. फॉर इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड आई विल सेंड यू 20 pages of short notes of Salvatore, Dominic Salvatore. I have made 2 years back. Dominic Salvatore, that is the Bible. That is the Bible of international trade. Got it? I have made notes for just 20 pages of 800 pages books. यह 800 pages का books है. You don't have to read all, just 20 pages notes. As we will start international trade, I will teaching international trade. After starting my class, after first day of class, I will send these notes. That is very crispy. Micro के लिए you can refer any 2 books. First is HL Ahuja. Please note it down. Halar-Varian आपको करना है only 6 chapter. Only 6 chapter. If you have time, you do Kotsianis, or you can do Pindyck and Rubenfeld. P-Y-N-D-I-C-K. Pindyck and Rubenfeld. That's it, not more than this. So that is whole book list. That's all. Any doubt, do ask. And for maths and stat, hardly, I think maths I have already told, plus stats. If you can cover just basics or what the topics given in the syllabus or the past year paper you will do BHU, SU, JNU ka, that topic is more than enough. Just Google the topic, YouTube the topic, go to the YouTube, search the topic, एंड यू कैन डू. मैथ्स के लिए आप लोग AC चियांग ले लेंगे और स्टैट्स के लिए गुप्ता एंड कपूर, और वन बुक कम्स विथ नेम SC गुप्ता, ओनली SC गुप्ता, ब्लू कलर का. दैट्स इट. हाँ, प्लीज आस्क योर डाउट्स. 5 minutes ब्रेक आई विल टेक फ्रॉम माई साइड. आई विल टेक few of the questions first, then come to you. Do ask your doubts.
सर माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड गेम थ्योरी के लिए कौन सा बुक बढ़िया रहेगा?
आप लोग क्वेश्चन देखे हैं पास्ट ईयर का? सुनिए, नाउ लेट मी कम
पूरा कंप्लीट.
यस. तो पहले देखिए, आपको मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, पहले वो देख लीजिए. आप लोग हवा में कूदना बंद कीजिए, मैं बता रहा हूँ. गेम थियरी और ये इकोनोमेट्रिक्स पढ़ने से रिजल्ट नहीं होगा. वी वांट रिजल्ट गाइस. सपोज दैट यू बिकम द मास्टर्स ऑफ गेम थियरी एंड यू आर अनेबल टू सॉल्व appropriate amount of questions. Will you able to clear the exam? No, not at all, because clearing exam means giving importance every question equally. Suppose that one question come from game theory. Sorry to be harsh, but let me tell the reality. Reality is always hard. And suppose that Anusri could not solve game theory question because it was difficult. Got it? She lost 4 marks because she unattempted. But at the same time, just you ask about game theory, solve Indian economic questions, 3 questions. So you lost 12 marks, but Anusri somehow managed to solve 2 questions. So net she is beneficiary of 4 marks. Got it? So my sole aim is to see. My aim is to maximize the score. You have to maximize score. That's it. That is the fun. See why you guys come to me. Why? You have college professors, you have lectures, you have such a online institutions, EcoPoint, Ecoholics, Bliss Point, and so many things. Saurabh sir, so many things. Yeah, more than 10 institutes. Go and take all the classes. They are brilliant teachers. They are the best teacher in India. But always keep nearly 50,000 in your pocket. Some prefers 30,000. Offline में 50 है, online अभी 20-30 के आसपास मिल जा रहा है. And I can guarantee you there is no guarantee. There is no guarantee of result because of paucity of time. In 3 months, nobody can clear the syllabus. Now, last things coming to the number of days I was just coming. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We'll just change the color pen. This color will take. Now see, hardly till your exam, I will be with you. I will try to finish my course by end of April or first week of May. But weekly we will meet once. Weekly we will meet once after the first week of May for the doubt session class. Hardly 4 classes for macro. Hardly 4 classes for macro, in which last 10 minutes daily in every class doubt session. This doubt session will include your class lecture doubt or any topic, be it macro development, Indian economy, any topic. 4 classes for macro, 3 classes for growth and development. हाँ, आपने पूछा बुक का नाम, मैं बुक का नाम बता दे रहा हूँ आपको. जो है मैं तो सारा चीज पढ़ा दूंगा यहाँ, बट जो सोलो मॉडल पढ़ना है और रोमर मॉडल पढ़ना है वो मैनकिव से पढ़ना है, और HL आहूजा से फ्रॉम थ्रिलवाल यू कैन रीड हैरी HD model, that is Herrmann-Tolman model. I will give the note. I was here 4 classes for this, 3 classes for growth, 4 classes for Indian economy and public finance. Yes. Then once again I will take all the questions. 3 classes for microeconomics. In micro, just you have to focus 3 things: consumer theory, producer theory, and market. That's it. That's it. 2 classes for market and 1 class for division. So 4 classes here. So this is the core. 1 lecture, 1 to 2 lecture, 1 to 2 lecture will be enough for basics of stats and maths, because most of the mathematical portion we will cover while during doing numericals. I will give you the page number and specific topic. This numericals you have to do either for ISLM, there are few numericals, और Keynesian multiplied CIG वाला न्यूमेरिकल आता है. You have MPGC and MPS वाला न्यूमेरिकल 1/1 minus C वाला न्यूमेरिकल आता है. So such kind of mathematical economics we will do while during class. So maths का importance कम हो जाएगा and at your own level basics I will give you the just books. मैट्रिक्स हो गए और थोड़े बहुत क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं सेट थ्योरी के, बेसिक्स प्रोबेबिलिटी के आते हैं 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन. दिस इज नॉट द आउट ऑफ दोज 3-4 टॉपिक्स हार्डली 2 क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर. सो इट्स नॉट ए मैटर ऑफ दैट मच वरीसम. और आपके 3 क्लासेस 2 to 3 क्लासेस होंगे इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक्स के. सो दैट्स ऑल. और लास्ट का 5 क्लासेस जो होगा 5 क्लासेस फॉर रिविजन क्लासेस एवरी डे 1 सब्जेक्ट 2 hours क्लास ऑलमोस्ट नियरली 100 minutes ऑफ क्लास होंगे आपके. Got it? Be punctual guys. I know you guys have exam and all, but I have kept the class at night time so that you guys can have sufficient time. और मैं आपको सारे हैंड रिटन नोट्स दूंगा एंड वी विल स्टडी ऑन पेन एंड पेपर. इनफैक्ट टैब अब जैसे मान के लिए मुझे कोर्स यहाँ पे करना है, ड्रॉ करना है, ड्रॉ किया डायग्राम आराम से. ओके, दिस इज IS. दिस इज सपोज दैट आई एम शोइंग क्राउडिंग आउट. This is LM, money supply increased. So LM will shift rightward. So what will happen? Last year question was also asked. Interest rate will decline. So Y1 increase to Y2. You can see that, or your interest rate will decline. Earlier our equilibrium was this point. Now new equilibrium is this point. So your interest rate from R to R2. So if question is asked, if money supply increases, what will happen to interest rate? So interest rate will decline and output will increase. Got it? So similar kinds of question is asked. Now coming to the please ask your doubt if anybody has any problem. So I will simply say guys, please do 2 things. See the past year paper and solve the past year paper. If you don't read the books, no problem, but please see the past year paper. Not just student ask me. Yeah, Nusri?
No.
One of the student asked me, sir, I am from background, or sir, I am from English background. Can I do it? Either you can do it or not. First, you see the past year paper. If you see past year paper and if your interest is developed in that, you can do it, my guarantee. And after that, we will have not any demo class. In the name of demo class, we have just wasted our 2-3 classes. From next time, we will start our classes. From next class, just the topic. Just you remind me, we will just run up. Next class, I will be covering. Please write the topic. And few queries still I will do. I will ask. Please write the topic. 3 topics we will be covering next class. Physiocrats. Yeah. Gopi. Pasam Gopi. Any doubt? Physiocrats, mercantilism, classicals. Please come with the revision. See, we are running short of time. You have to revise. I have to teach. So I request you guys at least. I have a doubt, sir. Gopi, ask your doubt. Please ask. अरे बोलो भाई. You have a doubt and you are sleeping.
Sir, he left the meeting.
Great यार. That was his doubt. वॉशरूम गया होगा. Anyway, तो where did I stop? तो क्या करना है? See, the things is that you are reading economics for last 3 years and just think, imagine यार, in 3 months how can you learn economics? So here you have to be very cooperative. Please do past year papers. If any doubt you have, please ask in the Telegram group, and you can ask daily at the end of class. Last 10 minutes will give you for doubt session based on past year paper, global topics, recent topics, be it economical, global, socio-political, anything, because everything comes under economics, be it Indian economics, be it growth and development, anything. Last 10 to 15 minutes we will have such kind of debate daily. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग मर्केंटलिस्ट, फिजियोक्रेट्स और हम लोग क्लासिकल्स पढ़ने वाले हैं. जस्ट लेट मी गिव यू ए ब्रीफ. and my entire economics will be storytelling, how I built a story. So what happened, there used to be a time, Thomas Moon, if some question is asked, who was the famous mercantilist, or questions is asked like this, that's why I'm telling you, please solve the paper, past year CUET, JNU, HCU, BHU, just scroll it down, write the key points. Okay, from this topics, this question was asked. So I am unable to cover this topic, so I have to make the notes and do attend the lectures. That you can do. So let me tell you, you have to just go through the past year paper topics and the books I told you, just follow the topic. So these two things you should do. As I told you कि we will be covering these 3 topics, तो at least आप जो previous year आपके जो professors और lecturers पढ़ाए होंगे, you go revise and do attend the class and do ask your doubts. तो हुआ क्या, there was a time when mercantilist economy world was expanding, वर्ल्ड में काफ़ी लड़ाइयाँ चल रही थी एंड imperialism का वेव था. तो theory of imperialism says that expansion of territory. Anusri, go ahead.
Sorry, I have some issues. Automatically.
Okay.
Sorry.
Please write a note. Mercantilism. Write the topic mercantilism or mercantilists. Mercantilist means merchant. Merchant means trader. So trader means simply they believe in export. There used to be a theory where exports were promoted and imports were not promoted. Import were used to be the subsidizing factor or subduing factor as a economics perspective. अगर आप import करेंगे तो क्या होगा? You have to pay back to the countries and your wealth will decline. So this was the motto of today. I'm just giving the brief. We'll study in deep, and whatever I am telling you, please write a running notes. Running notes are most important thing in learning economics. In running notes, what's happened? Whatever I tell you, just you note it down. Sometimes you may not get recorded lecture and it's just a waste of time. 2 hours you will spend here, then again 2 hours you will see the recording. Rather than wasting that much time, duplication of effort, you just put the running notes. I will also give the some handwritten notes that you can match with the class notes and books, past year paper. That is more than enough to get into good institution. That's my guarantee. 3 months, just 3 months, 100 days, dedicate yourself, you can get anything. That's my guarantee. That is the manifestation, power of manifestation, I'm telling you. And 24/7 you live in the world of entrance. Average, कभी भी मन हो, चाहे आप बाहर जा रहे हो, कुछ सुन रहे हो, whatever you are doing, 24/7 in exam mode. Even make a small circles, 2-3 friends का, always talk of past year papers. यार तूने ये किया, यार तूने elasticity किया, what will happen if price will increase, what will happen if credit, suppose that question come on money multiplier. If I ask you a question, with the rising of UPI, with the rising of debit card, with the rising of plastic money, what will happen to the money multiplier, or what will happen to the credit creation? Will it increase or will it decrease? So such things, innovative questions should be always in your mind. Always live around the exam aura, okay? That will reshape your mind and it will energize you for the exam. So just 3 months. I am definitely giving you guarantee, out of these 30 people, some of you will be in JNU, some of you will be in DSE, some of you will be in HCU. Definitely, that's my guarantee. Because whatever we think we become. और इकोनॉमिक्स तो आप लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, इतना आसान है इकोनॉमिक्स. मैक्रो में क्या है यार, जस्ट 7 स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स. यू सी द पास्ट ईयर पेपर. थोड़ा इन्फ्लेशन कर लिए, थोड़ा ISLM कर लिए, थोड़ा क्लासिकल कर लिए, थोड़ा केंसियन कर लिए, एडेप्टिव एक्सपेक्टेशन, रैशनल एक्सपेक्टेशन, सिंपली 2-4 डायग्राम है, मैक्रो डन. इंडियन इकोनॉमी तो पूरा थियरी है. आई कैन गारंटी यू, Indian economy, just 2 topics you have to study. Note it down. In Indian economy, just 2 topics, monetary and fiscal. I will teach entire Indian economy in just 2 topics. आपका fiscal policy में क्या हो जाएगा? We will give basics of past economic history, drain theory, permanent settlement वगैरह वगैरह. Then we will directly come to the during independence era, in which we will talk about planning commission, 5 years plans, and all 5 years plans we will cover. Still 5-year plans is asked. However, we don't have planning commission, but still question is asked based on the 5-year plan. Got it? उसके बाद क्या होगा? We will see the government taxation policy, government subsidy policy, and the flagship schemes. Even last time 2-3 questions came on flagship schemes. KCC was asked, question asked on Manrega. All these are flagship schemes. That is the fiscal part. And another part is monetary economics. So before nationalization of banking, after nationalization of banking, all the institutions, all the regulatory bodies, SEBI हो गए, RBI हो गए, functioning of RBI हो गए, credit creation हो गया, money supply हो गया, रोल ऑफ रेपो हो गया, SLR हो गया, नरसिम्हन कमेटी हो गया, इसके रिकमेंडेशंस हो गए. सो दिस इज द मॉनेटरी पार्ट. योर एंटायर इंडियन इकोनॉमी कैन बी सेपरेटेड इनटू जस्ट 2 पोर्शंस, 3 लेक्चर्स, मोर देन एनफ. सिमिलरली ग्रोथ में है 10-15 मॉडल है दैट यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम द इंडेक्स ऑफ ML Jhingan. द फेमस मॉडल इज लेविस मॉडल. लेविस मॉडल क्या कहता है? फ्रॉम द थियरी ऑफ surplus labor to the industrial section we will go. Got it? So similarly you can do all these things, and we will have diagram also. Diagrammatically I will prove each and everything. So growth and development में few topics: balanced growth, unbalanced growth, Nug's theory, population theory of Malthus. Then you will have international trade. International trade can be separated into 3 parts. Classical trade model. Classical trade model constitutes of, please note it down if some importance you found worthy. एडम स्मिथ के थियरी हो गए आपके एब्सोल्यूट एडवांटेज थियरी, देन कंपैरेटिव एडवांटेज थियरी, देन वी हैव न्यू ट्रेड थियरीज बाय इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल के लेवल पे, और हेक्सर-ओलिन थियरी हो गए 2 पार्ट्स. एंड थर्ड पार्ट इज टैरिफ पोर्शन इन विच कोटा, टैरिफ, एवरी काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोटेक्शनिज्म वी विल फॉलो. सो सिमिलरली वी विल पार्ट द थिंग्स, वी विल सॉल्व द पेपर एंड विल डू इट फ्रॉम दैट. सो योर टारगेट एरिया शुड बी जस्ट 5 टॉपिक्स. मेक श्योर growth development, Indian economy, macroeconomics, microeconomics, and international trade. Just 5 core area, and basics, maths and stats. 90% of questions you can do. Please do book. Please do read the books, because questions are asked match the following. Who wrote the Asian drama? You see, read growth and development book of ML Jhingan. Completely written. Asian drama was written by Gunnar Myrdal in 1972. This question was asked last year. So nothing comes beyond book. Books, what I suggested, class notes, class lectures, more than enough. Where you don't understand, Google it, search it, ask me, ask your friend. Still it is unsolvable, leave it. Because we should know move on technique. Got it? आपको क्लियर एग्जाम करना है, नॉलेजेबल नहीं बनना है. एक क्वेश्चन को लेके आप स्टक कर गए, सी यू वेस्टेड योर एंटायर 2 hours. Got it? तो जस्ट मूव ऑन, उसको साइड करें. इफ गॉड ग्रेस कम्स ऑटोमेटिकली वी कैन सॉल्व. और हो सकता है वह टाइप का क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में नहीं आए. तो चलिए, मैं आशा करता हूँ आई कुड सॉल्व योर ऑल डाउट्स. विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, एंड आई विल अपडेट इन द ग्रुप व्हेन वी विल इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. वी विल मीट ट्वाइस ए वीक. So please put the question in the our group, and let the people join and let the people participate, because coming together, holding hand will give success to everyone. Not one institute, yaar. We have more than 10 good institutes. 60-70 seats. HCU में तो 112 seats in economics. General economics 75, financial economics 37 seats. So everybody will get admission. Don't worry. Somebody will go JNU, somebody will go HCU, somebody will go some other institutes. So come together, hold hands, learn from others, teach to others, help to others. Because learning never declines like wealth. If you spend your wealth, it declines. Got it? तो एक क्वेश्चन को लेके उतना सीरियस नहीं होना है. वी शुड मूव ऑन. और आज से आप लोग कसम खा लें, डेली वाइल स्क्रॉलिंग इटसेल्फ, वाइल वॉचिंग रील्स, ठीक है, 10 मिनट 15 मिनट रील्स देखें, 4-5 क्वेश्चन स्क्रॉल कर लिए HCU के, कभी BHU के, कभी JNU के, कभी CUET के, जस्ट स्क्रॉल कर लिए, कभी गूगल कर लिए, खुद से सॉल्व किए, भरवली सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके ग्रुप में कर दिए. सो यू शुड इंटरेक्ट लाइक दिस, देन ओनली क्लियरिंग एग्जाम इज वेरी इजी. इट विल बी जस्ट अ फन. ट्रस्ट मी, यू शुड इन्वॉल्व योर सेल्फ. करना खुद आपको ही है, खुद से. मैं तो बस क्लास लूंगा 2-3 महीने, उसके बाद करना तो आपको ही पड़ेगा. रिवीजन आप ही को करना है, सॉल्व आप ही को करना है, बुक आप ही को करना है. इफ टुडे आई टीच यू मर्केटिलिज्म, फिजियोक्रेट्स, क्लासिकल्स इन 1 hour or 2 hours, so what will to you? You have to go back, solve the problem, read the books, revise the notes, then complete 100% done. So Umar, thank you very much for joining the session. So I hope it was fruitful to you, and still if you have any doubt, do ask, because we have students from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. I think you are the only one from Kashmir.
Yes sir, I am only one.
See you in the next class.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sabrinath. So hope I solved all the doubt. If you still you have 2 minutes, I am giving you, do ask.
So where we get the past year papers of Pondicherry and BHU?
भाई प्लीज नेट पे इतना तो सर्च कर ले भाई, प्लीज, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन इंटरनेट यार, एवरीथिंग.
Okay, sir.
Please
Okay,
see,
sir.
these small questions should be asked from kids. You are going to enter in masters. ओके, ये काम मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. आई एम लिटरली वेरी सॉरी. गूगल करना, पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करना, फिर ग्रुप में करना. व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, पार्टिसिपेशन, इंटरेक्शन, हेल्प ईच अदर. जस्ट यू गॉट क्वेश्चंस, फॉरवर्ड टू द ग्रुप. कोई पीडीएफ आपको बीएचयू का मिला, फॉरवर्ड टू द, आपको पौंडीचेरी का मिला, फॉरवर्ड टू द, अनुभूति को एचसीयू का मिला, सिविल, फॉरवर्ड टू द. गॉट इट? सो हेल्प ईच अदर, यू विल रॉक डेफिनेटली. लेट द ह्यूमैनिटी सर्वाइव. चलो फिर, बाय, गुड नाइट, सी यू सून.